What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to be basically replacing the air filter on my Yamaha YFZ450R, and this is pretty much going to be just a small walkthrough through basically me taking it off and replacing it with a new one. I got a K&N air filter. Not really sure if y'all could basically find the statistics of which air filter this is. I believe it should be this right here, but y'all could go ahead and look it up. I basically just typed in the year of my Yamaha YFZ and the air filter that I wanted, and this is what basically popped up from K&N. So I'm going to be replacing this. Hopefully it fits on there. If it doesn't, then I'm guessing I'm making this video for nothing, but let's pretty much get to it. Hopefully y'all like the video. If y'all do, go ahead and like down below, subscribe, and comment down below which one is your favorite thing about this four-wheeler basically, and let me know if y'all want to see more videos as well, because I should be making a whole lot more now that this thing is back up and running, because it actually was out of service for quite a while, but now I got it up and running, and hopefully I'll make more videos with this. So let's get to it. So first things first is y'all are going to want to basically take off the seat cover. This thing is pretty easy to take off. It just has this little latch, at least on mine it has this little latch. It's 2015, and you can just go ahead and set this to the side. And to take off the air filter, you got to take off this airbox cap right here with those little clips on the side, these two right here. Well, that just fell. And next thing you want to do is, I don't know if y'all could see that right there, the little wing nut. Y'all go ahead and just unscrew this thing, and I'll basically get to y'all once I get this thing off real quick. Alright, so now that I basically unscrewed it, you just basically slide out this air filter. I have no idea if this was a stock air filter or what, but check out how dirty that is. That's the original color right there. And that's how dirty it's gotten with water, with dirt and all that. This thing is so nasty, but good thing we actually have a brand new K&N air filter so we could replace it with. And first things first, before I actually put this new one back on, this has a little bit of dirt on it, or grass. I'm going to want to get all this cleaned up so that it doesn't keep seeping in through the filter basically. And it already has an internal filter right here, but just so you can get that extra protection, they always do basically recommend you to have another air filter on there, just so it can get more protected with dust, because this, it looks like it still lets a little bit of dust in through there, but hopefully with this new K&N air filter, it doesn't have basically any dirt going through there. Alright, well, I just got the brand new air filter from K&N fitted on here, so hopefully it's pretty much nice and snug in there. Don't tighten these up too much, because apparently if you do tighten them up too much, they can end up pretty much breaking, or it just squeezes them in and doesn't get the right airflow in there. So be sure that y'all just tighten them up a little bit, not too tight. And right now I'm basically going to get a startup with the brand new air filter. Hopefully it works out just fine, and let's get to it. Alright, so this is going to be the first startup of my Yamaha YFZ450 with the brand new K&N air filter. So let's see how it goes. Purchase my exhaust system, they actually continuing the R4, so I had to get the R5. They actually upgraded it for, not for free, but I basically got it for the same price as the R4 because I had already purchased that, and then they ended up discontinuing it. So yeah, be sure that y'all go check out Rossier Engineering if y'all want a good exhaust system. And let's pretty much go for a little bit of a cruise. It's kind of rainy or moist right now, so hopefully I don't get too wet out there, but let's go get to it, and hopefully it works out just fine. I'll let y'all know how it goes after, because I actually do not have a GoPro mount or anything on me right now, so let's see how it goes. Alright, well, basically I just went on a ride on my four-wheeler with the brand new K&N air filter. It rode really good. It feels like it got a probably 2-3 more horsepower, but on these little four-wheelers it really feels like it increases that horsepower. I actually do have a K&N sticker right here that I'm going to be slapping on right here on this four-wheeler. So if y'all like the video, be sure that y'all like and subscribe. Comment down below if y'all want more four-wheeler content, and I'll be seeing seeing y'all in the next video, because I have a lot of crazy car show videos coming out here shortly. So be sure that y'all stay tuned to the channel, and I'll be seeing y'all in the next video.